Hi guys, in Toyota Camry you won't be able to lift the wiper arms all the way because the hood is in the way. In order to replace the wiper blades, we'll have to activate wiper replacement mode. To activate the service mode, first you have to turn ignition on in the vehicle, then right away you will turn it off, and within 45 seconds you'll have to push the wiper lever all the way up. Hold it for a couple of seconds and shortly the wiper arms will go into the service position. Now you'll be able to lift the wiper arm, and you guys can use just a regular key or a screwdriver to pry open this clip, and now simply pull it down like this and it will come out. There's a hook on this side, as you can see, which goes into this opening. When you guys replace the wiper blade, make sure to have a rag on the windshield, this way it won't accidentally fall and break the glass. Lift the wiper arm and install the new one. The hook goes inside like this and then pull it up and close. The second wiper blade can be reached from the same side of the vehicle again. Open it, remove the blade. Again guys, use the rag, get the new wiper and install it the same way. Snaps back in, and that's it, our wiper replacement is complete. Now you will need to turn the ignition on again, and now you guys simply need to push the wiper lever once up. And the wiper blades will go down.